I'm reviewing this chess set that I picked up from 5 and Below for $5. Now, not everything at 5 and Below is 5 and Below anymore, but they still have some really good options. So this box caught my eye. I like the design. It also includes a beginner's guide, so I wanted to check it out and see what it looked like. So let's open this up. So it says 8+ and adult supervision required. I don't know if that's because of small pieces, but I don't really believe that adult supervision is required to play the game of chess. So let's see. You have this pull-out slot. So the sleeve comes off. And then now we have the box. So, oh, it's similar to their other board. So let's see. You have a small board. Still a decent starter board, but I think it would be better to start with a mat. Especially you want a mat with the so that you can do notations. So you have the letters and numbers, A through H and 1 through 8. But it does give a little guide of how to move each piece and how to play chess. And it gives famous chess moves, promotion, en passant, and castle. So that's pretty good. Fold this in half. So, I mean, this is a solid, kind of like plywoody board. You know, I think it is decent for starting. And let's see what the pieces look like. Alright, so pieces are a bit small, but I mean, it's 5 and Below. You could get a tournament set for, you know, about $15 through Amazon. Let's check these out. Alright, so when you set up the chessboard, the lower right corner will always be a light square. And the white pieces typically will be on the bottom. But it does depend on, you know, it's just a way. Now, just to compare the pawn size. Now, the wall chess set, these are about standard size pieces, actually. I know they look big on the wall, but this is what the difference that you're getting. And this size is a lot more safe than this size, for sure. But, and also the rooks are slightly bigger than the pawns, but they're almost the same size and don't stand out as much. That could be confusing to a beginner. As you set up the board, remember that the queen always goes on its color. These rooks. And let's see, the knight. Yeah, I mean, it's a decent looking knight. The pieces lack detail, but I think it's worth owning, you know, if you're on a budget. But if you could spend $10 to $15, I think there would be better options for sure out there. So queen on this color. Get our king here. Get the rest of the pawns set up. And get the other bishop and the other knight. So, oh wow, you moved the board and they wobble. So let's move these scissors. So we play like, you know, a standard opening, e4, e5, knight attacks, knight defends. point out bishop here to prepare the castle may not be the best, but you know, black repeats the move. Like I mean, this is playable, but I think you should, there's the other lower cost plastic boards that would come with slightly bigger pieces. And, you know, if I look in the display cabinet, even, you know, that glass chess set, the pieces have more detail. The rooks stand out better than the pawns. The pieces have slightly wider base, even though the pawns are the same size. So I would likely skip this and just look into something with a slightly bigger profile. But you know, as a beginner set, it's not horrible. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you play chess. I'll leave my Chess and chess.com username below, and yeah, maybe we can play a game of chess. Thanks for checking out this video. Have a wonderful day.